Hello viewers, a lot of users were actually facing battery drainage issue in Ipados 26.0.1, but in this stable version of Ipados 26.1 I think the battery problem will be resolved, so I will show you by updating to the latest version. But before updating to the latest version, let me show you how much storage is left in my iPad 10th generation. As you can see here, out of 64 GB, 44.66 GB is occupied. So the available space is 19.33 GB. And as you can see here, iPad 10th generation is taking a lot of space in iPadOS and system data. So it can be said that Ipados 26 is very heavy and the file size is very large. And also you can see the size of this update is 7.52 GB. So this is also a very large update. So finally I have updated my iPad 10th generation to the latest version, that is Ipados 26.1, and there is no problem whatsoever in screen quality. There is no screen flicker or screen problem. The first thing that I will check is YouTube, and I will play HDR videos in 4K 60 FPS mode. You can play HDR videos and the video playback is top notch. It is performing as it was performing before. So in terms of multimedia consumption, there is no problem whatsoever. You can enjoy your contents without having any issues. One of the major changes that you can have is the liquid glass design. You can change the liquid glass design from clear to tinted by clicking in the tinted mode in display and brightness section. So this is welcome change for those who don't want this feature. The next thing that I have checked is the fluidness or the snappiness. As you can see here, there is no problem. App opening and closing and multitasking is smooth enough, so there is no problem in opening or closing apps. As it comes with A14 Bionic chipset, there will be no problem. It is as powerful as any other flagship Android tablet. So I think this update will fix your battery drainage issue. It is not possible for me to talk about the battery life right now. You have to wait for 3 to 4 days to know about the battery backup that I am having with this iPad 10th generation after this update. So in the conclusion, should you update to the latest version of Ipados 26.1? If your iPad is under warranty, you can definitely update to the latest version. And also you can wait for few days when my final review video of Ipados 26.1 will come out. If you have already updated to the latest version, let me know in the comment sections below if you are having any improvement in terms of battery life or not. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.